What's up guys? So, traditionally, we see the Google Pixel release towards the latter half of the year, and Google is not changing their release schedule with the Pixel 6, which means expect the launch to happen in early October. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, sub to this channel will be amazing. Now, let's get start the video. So, the Google Pixel 5 has not been out for that long. The phone was only launched in October last year. But the world of smartphones moves fast, and we already have some potential details of the next flagship phone from Google, the Pixel 6. So, for the past month, we've seen Google and Samsung's relation getting deeper and deeper, like a couple's. Samsung dished its Tizen OS for a reason, and now we know why. So, we have exclusive breaking news, coming by at 9to5google.com, and the next Pixel 6 will be powered by a new Google-made Whitechapel chip. This is Google's first processor that is made in collaboration with Samsung. It uses Samsung's latest 5mm architecture, and no, it's not Exynos 1080, as we have expected before. It's a completely new processor, built in collaboration with Samsung. Also, 9to5Google has seen a document related to Whitechapel that had many references to Samsung's Exynos chip. The code name GS101 was mentioned. GS here could be a reference to Google and Samsung. In addition to Google Pixel 6, this chip will be used in the upcoming Chromebook devices, very similar to how Apple utilizes their own processors in their phones and their laptops. Google is doing the same thing and building the ecosystem in collaboration with Samsung. Anyway, for the first time Google will not be using Qualcomm chips. Just imagine the optimization, Google's own processor on their own software. We could potentially see amazing software optimization, especially third-party apps, like Instagram, Snapchat. Now on top of having their own new hardware in collaboration with Samsung for their Pixel 6, it's very likely that they might have a new camera hardware as well, again with Samsung's help. Also, we don't have any concrete leaks, but considering the relationship between Samsung and Google, Google could actually utilize Samsung's camera hardware for their Pixel 6 flagship phone. Anyway, the Pixel range has always had a strong reputation for excelling in the camera department, and while we are certainly impressed with the pictures produced by the Pixel 5, in some ways, that model felt like a step back, and that's due to the use of an IMX363 12.2 MP sensor, which was pretty dated, even on release. So I hope the Pixel 6 would see a new camera sensor to once again put Google on top. When it comes to mobile cameras, it has worked wonders with AI and computational tech. However, it does now feel that the current sensor has reached its limit. Also, Google's camera APK software code already confirmed that Pixel 6 is coming with a new front camera that has the capability to record 4K videos for the first time, and the code also revealed that Pixel 6 will have a centered punch hole design, similar to how Samsung devices look. And honestly speaking, I am super duper excited. It's time to make Pixel devices great again, with Samsung's help. As for the release date, 9to5Google reports that they will be launching this chip in 2021. Of course, Pixel 6 will be the first device getting this new chip. Anyway, what do you guys think about it? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you somehow like this video, sub to the channel will be make my day. And my name is Arjun. This is Digital Outside, so as always I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Gotta let you say, 'cause I fuck it up.